Hello, my name is Jeff Scholnick, and I am an attorney in Maryland who handles traffic violations. I want to talk to you about a very important matter when you receive a moving violation. You will now receive a computerized ticket, and the ticket has very important information, because if you don't follow the instructions on the ticket, then you may lose your license. The problem is the form has so much information on it, and the letters are so small that if you're not reading it carefully, you'll miss something that's very important. Here's what you'll miss. If you have a moving violation that does not involve jail time, you have to ask for a court date or pay the fine. If you do neither, after 30 days, your license will be suspended. And the suspension of a license is very serious for insurance purposes, and also because it is a traffic offense that can lead to jail time. So what do you need to do to prevent your license from being suspended? I'm going to show you at this point an example of one of the newer computerized moving violation tickets. Here is an example of that. Now, if you look further, I will now show you an area in red that you need to complete and send in within 30 days. And we've circled an address in Annapolis, a P.O. box. And you need to send it to that P.O. box. You need to check, if you're not paying the fine and you want a court date, you need to check the box that says trial. You can ask for a sentencing hearing, but in most cases you may as well ask for a trial, because if the officer does not show up at your trial, the case may be dismissed. So, what you need to do is fill out the information, check each block requesting a trial, sign and date the form at the bottom, request trial one more time right above your name, and then send this form in immediately. I wouldn't wait the 30 days. You don't want to take the chance that it might get lost in the mail. And then you need to go to the State of Maryland Judiciary Case Search website after a few days, type in your name, and make sure that they've received this form so that you can have a court date. Once again, if you do nothing and wait for your court date, you will be suspended. Now, the problem is that most people, up until a couple years ago, had no idea. They didn't have to do anything. But there's been a change, and now you have to act to get your court date. So, I have an article about this on my website, and I'd recommend that you take a look at it. The address is scholnicklaw.com. And you also can call me if you don't understand this form. There are people who have trouble reading very small print. They need to call me to go over this so that they fill this out correctly. My phone number is 410-494-9944. It is important that you look at this carefully and you act immediately when you receive the ticket. Don't just put it in the glove compartment of your car like most people do because you're angry about getting a ticket. Then 30 days will pass and you'll be in trouble. So, call me with any questions, send me a message on my website, but definitely act immediately. And remember that knowledge is power. Thank you.